Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this leave-in condition that will help you moisturize your hair. If you have a dry hair, this is going to help you out to keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, grab a seat and let's get started. Hi fam, welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing how I use these three ingredients to make a very powerful leave-in condition that will help you to moisturize your hair. If you are suffering from dry hair, this is gonna help you out. So we need a clean bowl just like this. Then I'll put in my castor. You can use any leave-in condition that you have. So I'll just put 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor. Then I'll apply this Chebe powder. This Chebe powder is originated from Chad. The Chad women use this Chebe for hair length, to stop hair breakage. I've done a full video about this Chebe. Please do well to check it out. So I'm also using this my oil. This is a mixture of so many ingredients: Chebe, rosemary and the rest. I also did a full video. Please do well to check it out. So I'm just going to be mixing these 3 ingredients together. This is a very simple recipe. You can do this at home, and this recipe farm will help you to moisturize your hair. Like my hair at times it gets dry, so I decided to put these 3 together and boom, fam, this really helped my hair to stay moisturized for a very long time. Like when I apply this on my hair, I don't like refresh my hair for at least 2 to 3 days before I can put more, like put this leave-in spray and the rest on my hair, because my hair still stays really refreshed and damped. If you understand what I mean, if you foresee natural hair, and you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just using this leave-in spray. This is rosemary and cloves. I'm just going to be using this to hydrate my hair, and after I use this to hydrate my hair, you can see my daughter is with me. So after I use this to hydrate my hair, I will now apply the leave-in condition. As I said earlier on, when I use this on my hair stayed moisturized for 2 to 3 days, before I could apply more, like refresh it with another rosemary water and the rest. So this really is really helpful for anyone that is suffering from dry hair. This is gonna help your hair to stay moisturized for a very long time. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair and be detangling as I go. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. My YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth, because when I gave birth to my daughter, I really suffered from hair damage. My front edges was all bald and the rest, but right now we are having edges. We are growing at our edges. So please do well to subscribe so you can follow me on my journey. So this is my hair length right now. It's reaching me on my shoulder, so I am really happy about the growth. Please keep on watching the rest of the vlog. I really do appreciate you all. Alright, bye. So fam, this is what my hair looks like after I have applied the whole leave-in condition. My hair feels so soft, so moisturized. Like guys, look at my hair. I'm just shaking it for you guys to see it. So I'm going to braid my hair, and then I will leave it on braid and wear my wigs, and that's it. I've finished braiding my hair. This is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna carry my hair like this for like 3-4 days before I can apply another water and rehydrate the hair. Yes guys, so I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope this video was a bit educative. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.